Hi, Noel Williams, Optimal Health Associates. I'm going to talk about a product we carry called Virility. It's just a branded product for Tongkat Ali, which is a Singaporean herb that's been well studied with multiple publications or journal articles on restimulation of the testicle. So original data was when you're a man and your sperm count's falling, if you do Tongkat Ali twice a day, you lo and behold get doubling in your sperm count between 4 and 8 weeks. Sperm count and testosterone levels cross-correlate directly, so it also doubles your testosterone. So in younger guys, we love Tongkat Ali as our first choice to re-stimulate their testicles if you're in your 20s or 30s, and even in your 40s or 50s, we'll use it to try to get your testicles just to work better on their own instead of giving a medicine called Clomid, which works in your pituitary gland to make you secrete other stuff and it can work well, but it also has more side effects because it's a drug. Tongkat Ali is a great alternative natural choice. It's probably going to work about 50% of the time. Very safe, very boring. Just kind of replaces some missing enzymes, and your testicles and adrenal gland works way better. We don't usually use it in women because the FDA has said since there's not women's studies, you shouldn't use it. I have used it in women over the years, and it's worked okay for raising testosterone in perimenopausal and menopausal women, but we predominantly use it in men. So great little product, very inexpensive, and can have wonderful effects for low testosterone, especially in younger men, 20s and 30s and early 40s. And it also then does not inhibit the formation of sperm, so very effective. Thank you.